Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup easy, only way. Start by chopping all vegetables to similar sizes and heating olive oil in a large pot. Sauté onion and garlic until fragrant, then add carrots and celery to soften. Pour in broth, add potatoes and seasonings, and simmer until tender. Finish with greens and a splash of lemon for brightness before serving warm and comforting. For a quick and tasty soup, pick seasonal vegetables and use a flavorful broth as your base. If you want a richer result, simmer vegetable scraps earlier to make a simple stock, or use a good store-bought broth for convenience. Toss in canned beans or lentils to boost protein and make the soup filling. Adjust salt and pepper toward the end, and add fresh herbs for a bright finish. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with meal planning because less stress means better cooking. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and grab a copy if you want a simple life hack. Now let's get back to the video. Speed up cooking by cutting root vegetables smaller and beginning on high heat to get a quick sauté. Once you add liquid, lower to a gentle simmer to meld flavors without breaking down delicate veggies. If you prefer a creamier texture, pulse with an immersion blender or reserve some solids, then blend and stir back in. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning in small increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.